Today we're making a pony bead monkey. We're going to start by taking our key ring and our silk cord, which you'll need about 4.5 feet of cord. So go ahead and fold your cord in half and meet it at the ends. And then we're going to take where that loop is, place the loop through the key ring, put your 2 fingers inside of the loop, your index finger and your thumb. And then we're going to tighten that, making a lark's head knot. Just make sure it's tight and secure. And then I'm going to place it on my table and cover it with a piece of painter's tape. You can get painter's tape at Dollar Tree if you're in need for some. So I separate my cord left to right and I start on the left. So I'm going to start by adding 3 brown pony beads. Once I add those beads, I'm going to take the right side of the cord and I'm going to place that cord through the beads on the left-hand side. So you'll just work your way through the cord. Now, if you don't like silk cord, you can use pony bead lacing. It is a little tighter when you're doing this process. And then I just pull up on both sides of the cord and straighten out the beads with my hands. And then we're going to start on the next section. So I am going to take my cord on the left-hand side again, and I am now going to add 1 brown, 3 white, and 1 brown pony bead. 1 brown, 3 white, and 1 brown. Now, an alternative color, use any color actually that you'd like. I've seen people use cream, light brown. You can use whatever color you want to make your monkey. And again, we're going to take that cord on the right-hand side and place it through the cord on the left-hand side through those beads. Grab that end and pull up on both sides. Now we're going to add 1 white bead, 1 black, 1 white, 1 black, and 1 white pony bead. So again, white, black, white, black, white. Feel free to pause whenever you need to or rewind. I'm trying to write what I'm doing on the screen, so if you get lost, just pause it, rewind, whatever you need to do. Once you get those on, you'll want to take the other side, the right side, and place it again through the left side, through those pony beads. You'll do this for each section except for the legs and the arms. And I'll explain how to do those when we get there. Now we're going to add 1 brown, 1 white, 1 black, 1 white, and 1 brown pony bead. So again, brown, white, black, white, brown. Now we're going to add 1 brown, 2 white, and 1 brown pony bead. So 1 brown, 2 white, and 1 brown. And again, we're just going to follow it up by placing the right cord through the left cord, through those beads, pulling up on both sides. Now we're going to add 5 pony beads. Now it's time to make the arms. So what we're going to do is start on the left, and we're going to add 5 of the brown beads and 3 of the yellow beads. After we add the white beads, we are going to pull up all the way to the body of the monkey. We will then separate the white from the brown, and we're going to take the cord and place it through the first 2 of the brown pony beads. Then we will skip 1 of the brown pony bead and continue on to the last 2 of the brown pony beads. So we're going to work this all the way down to the body, and we place the cord through the first 2 of the brown beads. Then we will skip the next brown bead and take our cord and place it through the last 2 of the brown bead, and just make your way through and pull it down. And as you can see, it gives the arm a little bit of a little elbow there. So there's some bending in the monkey. Now we're going to do the same for the other side. Same exact process of the 5 brown pony beads and the 3 white ones. And we'll follow the same procedure. Now we are working our way down through those last 2 beads, and then we're just going to pull. So we did the same exact procedure of going through the first 2, skipping 1, and now we're going through the last 2, making another arm joint for this cute little monkey. Did you know that a monkey has a tail but an ape does not? And I know in this project we're not making a tail, but I just thought I would throw out that random fact. So in the next part, we are going to add 6 brown pony beads. Now we're going to add 5 brown pony beads. We're going to add another set of 5 pony beads. So we're going to add another set of the 5 brown pony beads. If you get distracted, it's okay to go back and count and just double check, making sure that you got all of your beads onto the cord. Sometimes I myself need to count more than you can imagine, actually. So just keep on with that progress. And now it's time to do the legs. So we are going to take 5 brown pony beads and 3 white pony beads. Okay, again, we're going to separate the white from the brown, going through the first 2 brown beads. And then we will skip the next bead and go through the following 2 pony beads. We're going to do the same procedure for the other leg. So again, that's 5 brown pony beads and 3 white pony beads. You're going to separate the white from the brown, go through the first 2, skip the next one, and then go through the last two. Now that we're done with that, I'm going to tie off on both sides of the legs right in that joint. Most of you have a special way of tying your knots, and if you don't, if this helps, I usually just do a double knot or a surgeon's knot. If you'd like a tutorial on how to do the surgeon's knot, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, just do a double knot, whatever's easiest for you. Once I've made my knots, I am going to then take my scissors and cut. Then I straighten out my monkey with my hands. After I've done that, I take my nail polish to make the ends stiff. And then my monkey is done. If you've enjoyed this content, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what you'd like to see next. I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you at the next video. Bye!